Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Golden Off-Road. My name is Sergio here at Golden Motors, the Southeast's largest lifted truck dealership. Today we've got these two Jeep Gladiators being built out. This one is going to be for Galliana Chrysler Jeep. This Jeep will be on display at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport for Toys for Tots. If you are in the Columbia, South Carolina area, please feel free to stop by the airport and donate some toys for Toys for Tots. It's a great cause. I'll be there. A lot of these guys from Golden Motors will be there. Alright guys, so on this awesome Jeep, it's going to have the Rough Country 3.5-inch Jeep suspension lift kit. This suspension lift kit features a set of durable front and rear coil spacers, allowing you to retain your brand new coils to preserve that factory ride just as Jeep engineered it. Alright guys, as you can see, this Jeep is also sitting on some Fuel Triton brushed candy red 20x10s with some 37x1320 Mastercraft Courser MXTs. This Jeep also has the heavy-duty floor mats, the Jeep wheel-to-wheel Nerf steps, and the Jeep 30-inch LED hood kit. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Hit like, share, and subscribe. For more information on this Jeep, please give us a call at 803-808-5235 or look us up online at goldenmotorsonline.com. Thanks guys for watching, and again, hit like, share, and subscribe. If you got any questions, comments, just leave them down below. Thanks guys.